Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are just on our way to, I don't know, some cold spring. I think it's, I can't even remember what it's called. But I've just stopped off at my favourite river along the way called Makapiko River. And all the locals are down here doing their laundry. I have made a video on this previously. However, it was way back at the start of the channel and it was pretty damn average, if I do say so myself. Didn't really talk much in it, got a little bit of footage. There's no drone footage or anything either, so I thought I would revisit it, get some decent drone footage of this absolutely stunning river. I don't think there's any other words to describe it. This is about 57 minutes away from our house. It's just on the way to Tugballaran. And yeah, great swimming spot. I'm not going to swim here today though. I'm going to swim in the cold spring. I might come for a swim here afterwards if the cold spring's not as good as what I think it is. But I'll get the drone out and I'll show you guys what it's all about. What a stunning place. Hopefully there's no snakes in amongst all of this pretty dense jungle that we're walking in. But hey, you gotta die of something, right? Just hopefully it's not a snake bite. Wow. Mary's trying to be tall.
Shut up.
It's the only way she can be taller than me is stand on a big log. Poor Mary. Another typical bouncy day in the Philippines, trying to get to my cold spring. I have no idea where I'm going. So guys, I have absolutely no idea where we are. Google's telling me to turn right. There's no road there. Oh, here it goes. This is a road. Not quite sure what's going on, guys, or where on earth we are. We seem to be pretty deep in the middle of nowhere. Still trying to find this cold spring thing that we're looking for so we can go for a swim. Should have just swum at the bloody river that I've just been to, but yeah. Surprisingly, these roads are on Google Maps. have no idea where we are. Well, after navigating all the dodgy little roads that Google Maps took us down, lucky we've got the new truck, we finally arrived at Bugwak Cold Springs. It's, I don't know, I think there's like a hydro power plant around here as well. So we might go and have a bit of a look at that, see what it's all about. But the river looks really nice. I haven't been down to it yet. See if we can get there, right? So I think I'll probably obey the sign. No swimming in this area, there's turbine water. So we just had a chat to one of the local guys and he said there's a lot of people down here because it's somebody's birthday. So that should be good. See what the locals are up to. Obviously they're swimming because it's so incredibly hot today, as usual. Look at the colour of the water. Nice. It's amazing the places you find when you just have nothing else to do. Hello.
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 Yes, welcome to Bugwak.
Beautiful place.
Yes. Bugwak Springs. Where are you from, my friend?
I'm from San Miguel. I live here.
San Miguel.
But I'm from New Zealand.
Oh, New Zealand.
Wow. Guys, curiosity got the better of me and I saw a little sign that said Damsite and I've just driven down deep into the middle of the jungle just to see what's going on and it's nothing. The Damsite. Let's see what this is all about. So we're not actually allowed in here, but some guys let us in for a little bit of a look, so that should be good. Oh wow. Oh, look at it. So we're pretty deep in the jungle of Bohol at the moment, but I get really curious. I see these little signs on the side of the road. I've really got to follow them, and look where they bring me. Well, so we have just arrived at a place called Nature's Gem now. This is... I actually don't know. This is literally in the middle of nowhere again. I don't know how we get there, so... we're going to go down and have a look at it. I swear to God, Mary really doesn't like me sometimes because I bring her on all these adventures and we're just non-stop stop, start, and we just keep going to all these places. So the guy at the front entrance just said it was about 400-meter walk to get down to them. Couldn't really understand what he was saying. My Bisaya is not that good at the moment, but he said that there was 5 of something, so I'm guessing it's 5 little springs. I'm guessing Nature's Gem is little springs. Oh, I should probably do a little bit of research on these places before I come to them, but I just wake up in the morning and I look at my little saved places on the map of Bohol and I just jump in the truck and I just go. Nature's Gem Resort. Kogon Balilihan, Bohol, Philippines. Oh wow, there's a tree house. What is this all about? Interesting. Hexagon Hall. Cool. There's a big cock. Right, what's this all about? Let's go and have a look at down here. What is this? I wish we had this much water. Unfortunately, we don't have any water where we live. Oh, look at all the little fish in there. There's millions of them. Look at them all. Beautiful little ponds. Pretty sure there's part of this you can swim in. I definitely wouldn't want to swim in these ones, but I did read on Google that there is a swimming spot somewhere. It's down here. Oh, there's a river down there. What an interesting little place. Mary's going to try and do some fishing. What are you going to catch with that? Oh! What on earth is this place? What a bizarre little place. It's a strange little place. Watch out for these rather dodgy boards. I think I'm a bit heavy for these. Oh, Chris, if you're watching this one, bro, how's this for an Indiana Jones bridge? What the I don't know if this is safe. How's this for an Indiana Jones bridge? Ay, ay, ay. I don't know if I should be on this. Ay, ay, ay. What is this all about? Oh my goodness. Well, if there's ever going to be any snakes, it's probably in a place like this. I don't know if I should be walking on this. Feels a little uneasy. Oi, ay, oi. Yeah, I'm not going to go any further, guys. Sorry about that. It doesn't look like this is going to support my weight. Oh, I'll try. I'll give it a go. You guys are just going to sit there and say, grow some balls, James. Well, I'm trying. I'm trying my best. It's not the best looking bridge, unfortunately. Oh, it's squeaking. What's over here? I probably came all the way over here for nothing. Now I'm pretty much stuck in the jungle for nothing. Oh, the irrigation system. Okay, fair enough. So I came all that way over the Indiana Jones Temple of Doom bridge, and there's nothing here. Turn around and go back. Look at it. It's held together with sticks and wires and shit. Oh, I just got stung by something. Ay, ay, ay. This is the dodgiest bridge I think I've ever walked on. Woo! Probably the dodgiest bridge I've ever seen in the Philippines. And I've seen some pretty dodgy bridges. I don't know what's holding it up, but it's at least 6 meters off the riverbed. Feels incredibly dodgy. Fuck! I'm a little worried about this bridge. Well, I survived, guys, so unfortunately you're going to have to watch my video because I'm going to be able to get home to edit it. But I'm definitely not going on that bridge again. So it's kind of like everything else. Well, not everything else. It's kind of like a lot of other things here in the Philippines that Mary and I visit. Because we seem to visit the places off the beaten track. A lot of these places seem like they're kind of abandoned. And this is another one of those places. The guy was really surprised when I gave him the entrance fee that it clearly says when you get here, it says 25 pesos each for an entrance fee. He was so surprised that I gave him 50p. And that kind of leads me to believe that not many people come here. I don't know why, because this place looks pretty cool. It's definitely got a Enchanted type feeling. But as you can see, it's pretty much unused. Got this cool little river down here. Beautiful colour, nice turquoise coloured water. Unfortunately, there seems like there's a lot of mosquitoes sitting on the surface of the water, so I will not be swimming in that one. Let's see where this one leads. Somebody behind me hates walking. Wow. Where on earth does this lead? C. Okay. Wow, this is cool. I don't know, maybe we jump off this? No, I don't want to jump off. It's kind of asking to be jumped off though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or pushed off. Typical Mary, sees a chair and wants to sit down. Don't be so lazy. And I think we've reached our destination. We're at number 4. How many did he say there were? 4 or 5? He said 4, right?
Yeah.
I think we've reached our destination with another Indiana Jones bridge. Ay, ay, ay. Nature's Gem number 4. Let's go for a look down here. Wow, this is cool. Very cool. Cool bridge. it seems a little surreal when I come to some of these places. I feel like I'm dreaming. They just don't look real. Very strange. It's like Pirates of the Caribbean or something, right? I definitely do not want to fall through this bridge. Right, so I've got two choices. Either stand on that one, and that's pretty much it. And hopefully I'll pick the right one. But what a beautiful place. Oh, there is another zone back. There's another zone, zone 5. Let's go. So we're going to head to zone 5. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my swimming shorts with me, so I'm just going to have to swim in my shorts that I'm wearing. And then I don't know what I'm going to wear home. Maybe a towel. Oh, damn. It's so humid in here. There's zero wind. I got so much sweat dripping off me, all coming off my arms. It's... ay, ay, ay. Almost there. Huh? The what? Yeah. I don't know if you guys can... oh no, it stopped. It was such a weird noise. It sounded like a vacuum cleaner. Wow, it feels like we're really deep in the Pirates of the Caribbean jungle, right? Look at it. Is that rain? I hope not. I haven't got the drone out yet. What on earth is that noise? Wow. So I think this is the end of the trek. This is number 5 of Nature's Gem Resort, zone 5, and it's stunning. Oh look, there's all the little rock stacks that people have done. Wow, look how clear the water is. It's not really swimming though, is it? I don't think I'd want to swim in it. Right, up we go. Let's go to number 5. Hopefully it doesn't fall down on us. Oh, there's a waterfall over there.
You're still not there yet.
Huh?
I think 7.
No, this is as far as it goes.
Okay then.
Oh, there's little swings. Look at the fish in there. You see them? Yeah. Right, I think it's time to get the drone out. I'll get the drone out, guys, and I'll take you guys on a bit of a tour around this place. And we'll see how cool it looks from the sky. But it looks like it's starting to rain, or is that lots of mosquitoes? No, it's mosquitoes. Ay, ay, ay. Well, unfortunately, I don't think I'll be swimming in this, because it looks like, if you can see on the surface of the water, see all the ripples on the surface, that's not actually rain. That is mosquitoes, and lots of them, and I really don't feel like getting dengue fever. Anyway. Oh, that's handy. Look at that. There's a little toilet in the bushes. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to get the drone out. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the air. Well, guys, that was the drone footage of this amazing place. As I said, I don't think anybody comes here. It doesn't look like it's been used for a very, very long time. But it's about 3:30 p.m. and we're still about an hour away from home, so I think it's time to wrap this video up. I'm very sweaty. I didn't end up going for a swim because I decided I don't really want to be wet for the whole drive home. So, once again, thanks everyone for watching. See you guys on the next adventure, and welcome to the Philippines.